Think of a modern AI model as a brilliant worker sitting at a desk. They have a massive intellect and can process complex problems in seconds. But there's a catch. They are blindfolded, sitting entirely alone in the dark. This worker has no natural connection to the outside world. They only know the historical information they were originally trained on, or the specific text you explicitly paste into their hands during a chat. Look at how we actually work. Our daily tasks don't happen in a single chat window. Our information is scattered across dozens of disconnected platforms, like our daily emails, shared team calendars, project management trackers, and messaging apps. Getting that brilliant AI to help you with your actual work means dragging that information to it by hand. You find the thread, copy the text, switch tabs, and paste it in. Or you rely on narrow, one-off integrations built by specific companies that often break and only cover a fraction of your workflow. AI's current limitation stems from its isolation. It has the reasoning intelligence to solve problems, but lacks the systemic access to reach the real-time data it needs to solve them. To be truly effective, it requires a universal adapter. That adapter is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It is an open, standardized method designed specifically to let AI models securely reach out and read external data sources. MCP creates one universal standard instead of custom APIs. A tool, like a task tracker, opens an MCP gateway. You ask a question, the AI requests capabilities, and the tool sends back live data, which the AI processes into a precise answer. All of this happens in seconds, entirely behind the scenes. It creates a continuous, invisible conversation between the model and your software. You are no longer the manual delivery system for your own data. Let's look at what this actually enables. Say you keep all your project documentation in a workspace app. You can ask your AI to summarize the Q3 launch requirements, and it will pull the actual current document to generate that summary. Or consider your team's chat app. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of messages to figure out what was decided about an API redesign, you ask the AI. It reaches into the channel, reads the recent discussion, and hands you the final decision. If you are a developer, you can instruct the AI to scan an entire external code repository. It will search the live codebase and pinpoint the exact line numbers where deprecated functions are currently sitting. And for project managers tracking metrics, you can ask for last week's conversion rates. The AI connects directly to your live analytics dashboard, pulls the exact figures, and delivers them with the surrounding context. By connecting to these live sources, the model stops generating hypothetical answers and operates in your real-time environment. With MCP in place, the isolated model is integrated into a larger network. The blindfold comes off, and the AI can finally see across the entire ecosystem of tools you use to do your job. This shift changes the utility of AI in three specific ways. First, accuracy. Because the model anchors its responses in absolute, current data from your own systems, the risk of it hallucinating or providing outdated information drops. Second is efficiency. By eliminating the context switching between different tabs and apps, you can research, query, and execute complex cross-platform tasks without ever leaving the chat window. Third is scalability. Software developers no longer have to build custom integrations for every new AI model that hits the market. They build one single MCP connection, and their tool instantly plugs into the broader ecosystem. MCP is the underlying infrastructure, the hidden plumbing required to take AI out of the realm of general novelty. It turns a smart chatbot into a highly personalized engine for your specific workflow. So, how do you actually get this running with the tools you use every day? In the next episode, we will walk through the exact step-by-step process of setting up MCP on your own machine. See you there.